Epithelia, presented by Medical Wizardry. So, what is an epithelium? Both the outer and the luminal surface of the body are lined by cells, in either single or multi-layers. This arrangement of cells in layers is eminently called epithelia. This epithelium even lines the ducts of the glands. If the arrangement of the cells is single-layered, it is called the simple epithelium. And if they are arranged in multiple layers, they are said to be stratified epithelium. The epithelium is classified based on the nature of the cells making it, and their nature of the arrangement. Simple epithelium is classified into simple squamous, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar. The multilayered, stratified epithelium is classified as stratified squamous, transitional epithelium, stratified cuboidal, or columnar epithelium. In squamous epithelium, a single row of flattened cells with bulging cell surfaces, which is attributed to the nuclei of the cells, can be seen. On the visualization of such epithelium under the electron microscope, we can see tight occluding junctions between the cells, which gives this epithelium the ability to restrict the movement of substances between the cells. If the squamous epithelium lines the serous cavities, it is called mesothelium. If the squamous epithelium lines the inner surface of the heart, it is given by the name endocardium. The same squamous epithelium, when lines the blood vessels and lymphatics, is known as the endothelium. In contrast to simple squamous epithelium, the columnar epithelium has a row of elongated polygonal cells with elongated nuclei placed near the base is found. Based on some special nature, the columnar epithelium is further classified into distinct types. If the columnar cell surface has no specialized nature, it is called a simple columnar epithelium. On the contrary, if the cell surface holds cilia, it is called the ciliated columnar epithelium. Similarly, in some types, the cell surface is entrusted with a special structure called microvilli. These microvilli can only be visualized by electron microscopy. But the appearance of the arrangement of these microvilli in light microscopy aids in the classification of the epithelia as either striated border with regularly arranged microvilli or brush border having irregular microvilli arrangement on the surface. Some columnar cells are having secretory functions, which makes them acquire a special structural characteristic, and such cells are given a special name called goblet cells. These goblet cells are commonly found in the mucosa of the stomach and intestines. Cuboidal epithelium can be said to be a variant of columnar epithelium, with a fact of the difference in that the cells in the cuboidal epithelium are having the same height and width, and with rounded nuclei. A hallmark of cuboidal epithelium can be found in the follicles of the thyroid glands. The cuboidal epithelium lining the ovary surface is known as germinal epithelium. These cells acquire a triangular appearance when they are placed near the base of the epithelium, where they are compressed the most by the neighboring cells. Stratified squamous epithelium having a multiple layers of squamous cells is named such because of the squamous cells being the occupant on the surface of the arrangement. Yes, the deeper layers of this epithelium are made of columnar cells, or sometimes cuboidal or polyhedral cells. This stratified squamous arrangement can either be non-keratinized or keratinized. The living cells with nuclei and being moist constitutes the keratinized type, whereas the dry, dead cells that lost the nuclei are known as non-keratinized epithelium. The dead cells contain a substance known as keratin, which contributes to the name. This stratified squamous epithelium is a type of epithelium that is commonly found in areas where friction stress is commonly found. And because of that friction, the most superficial layers are constantly been replaced by the newly proliferated cells from the deeper germinal layers. As we all know, our skin of all the organs in the human body endures most friction stress, and hence the keratinized stratified squamous epithelium constitutes the skin forming the epidermis. Transitional epithelium is similar to the stratified squamous epithelium in such that the surface cells are often large and umbrella-shaped. This transitional epithelium being found more commonly and distributed in the urological systems like renal pelvis, calyces, ureter, urethra, and the urinary bladder, it has been given the name urothelium. Since it lines the urinary bladder, it has the gift to get stretched to a greater extent without being damaged. On visualization under electron microscope, the transitional epithelium is found to be firmly united by small structures called desmosomes. The surface of the plasma membranes houses special glycoproteins that make the membrane impervious to the toxic effects of the substance in the urine and thereby providing protection to the surrounding tissues. After all the facts about stratified arrangements of the cells in the epithelium comes a special arrangement where the looks are deceiving. As the name says, the pseudostratified columnar epithelium appears to be having cells arranged in layers even though not so. All the cells in this type reach the base of the epithelium, and being different in the heights, they appear to be stratified. The nuclei take the position that is nearby to the broader portion of those columnar cells. This type of epithelium is commonly found in auditory tubes, male urethra, ductus deferens. Presence of cilia above this pseudostratified columnar epithelium are characteristically found in the trachea and large bronchi. Thank you for watching. Hope you are now familiar with different types of epithelia. Quick question: which type of epithelium lines the peritoneum? Comment below if you know the answer. For more interesting contents like this, join us at www.medicalwizardry.com. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and of course please do share the videos with your friends.